Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Katscrappiness YouTube channel. So we are going to make a card today using our newest release, Will Work for Craft Supplies, and it's so cute and I love all the papers from the coordinating paper pack Will Work for Craft Supplies. And we're going to use the outline dies, and so much fun. And I love that yellow, it's so pretty. And it has a pattern on it as well, like I'm not sure what it's called, but it's really pretty. And I'm just gonna stamp and heat emboss the husband and the wife from this stamp set, and I think they're so fun and I love her sign, it's so cute. So I love the sentiments in this stamp set, but in case you wanted to put something else in that sign, I love that you have that option. And you will see in a future card that I do something like that, and I stamp and heat emboss them, and I'm just using some simple Copic markers here, and I will put sometimes them on the side there, and then I will just probably list them in the details as well as all the products that I used. And there are pictures that you can click on that will take you to the Scrappiness store, which is so great. And we have so many new embellishments that are really fun. And so I had so much fun creating my samples for this release. And I'm going to match the husband, his shirt. I'm going to match it to the wife's shirt, and I think that's fun. She's only showing a little bit, so it was really easy to color her outfit. I mostly had to color pants, so that is cute. And I love his expression. It's so funny, and these sentiments are hilarious. The one that I am using today is will trade husband for craft supplies. Sorry, I could not get that out. And it's so funny, and I haven't showed that sentiment to my husband, but I think it is hilarious. And I am just coloring in their skin, and I just use my E markers in E21 and E04, and I will be giving them some like a cheek color later. And she has a white sign for this card, and I will stamp the sentiment in a blue ink to match. And I am just coloring in his hair with some, maybe he had black hair, but it is turning gray, so that is my that is what I'm going for in this card. And maybe it's going gray because the wife is buying too many craft supplies. But too many is never, that is not a saying. There's never too many. And so I am just finishing in, and I will be finishing up the coloring, and then I will be picking out my pattern paper. So there they are, all finished coloring, and I'm going to use the outline dies here to cut them out. And so here they are, and I love the dies, they cut them out perfectly. And I was thinking I should cut out my images first and then color, because sometimes they shift when you die cut, but these ones didn't, so good. And I'm using a die that I didn't know was retired, or I hope it comes back because I love it. There is a slimline available. This is the Heart Sunburst A2 die, and I'm just using those two patterns together. I have made a shaker card with that die before, And so I'm just using the outline die to cut the sentiment out, which I love so much. I love it when there is dies to cut out the sentiments. If there isn't, sometimes I do fussy cut them if they're not too hard, because I just like them cut out. And so I'm gluing everything to an A2 heavyweight card base, and then I will add my husband and wife, and I'm going to be using liquid glue today, so no foam tape on this card. And then I will also glue my sentiment onto the sign. I did cut out an extra sentiment, just use the die with some white cardstock, just because I wanted it to pop up a little bit. So that is another way to pop up your images or sentiments, is to cut out extra and just glue them together. And so I will figure out how I want them to stand. And so you don't really see the heart on this sunburst die anyways, so you can use any sunburst die or stencil. We do have a stencil, and I will be using that embellishment mix to the left there, and that is the Mystical Mouse Sprinkle Mix, and I'm going to use a few clay stars from that mix that I thought matched great. And so fun. I love his expression. And so I thought this card came together really easy and fun, and I really enjoyed using these images. It's not a lot of guessing work, so I like that you have the sign and the sentiment and the husband and wife. You can use the husband or wife separately, and you can use it with some craft supplies. We do have some stamps with craft supplies in them, so you can use those as well with this set. And here is where I grab my chalk to add some cheek color to the husband and wife. And I do this sometimes when I think it might show up better on their skin, and I think it's fun to just grab some chalk. And lastly, I will just add my embellishments here. So the 3 stars, I'm using 2 white stars and 1 blue star. And I'm grabbing my tray here, my white triangle embellishment tray, and I'm just gonna place those that mix in there. Isn't it pretty? I love those colors. And then I will add some gel pen accents with my Jelly Roll pen, and that finishes this card. And just adding 3 here. And I thought it'd be better to just add them on top. And then I will grab that gel pen and then share another close-up. That's when I decided I need that gel pen. and just gonna add a few. There wasn't much to add on the wife, and then just a couple on the husband there, or 3 actually. And I will share a close-up. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day. I will be back soon with another card tutorial.